Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we're opening colors. First we're opening the color of light green color, sky blue color, orange color, light pink color, yellow color, dark pink color, dark green color. Now you open the color of red, and the next one is purple, silver. Now we open the color of brown, blue color, and the last one is black color.